Welcome to a new release of Nowa.
We got a lot of exciting updates inside and outside Nowa.
Let's jump in.
Okay.
Now, let's start with money, because money talks. We are presenting Stripe integrations, where you can offer subscriptions, one-time payments, and consumables, which are products that you can purchase multiple times, allowing the user to also pay with Google Pay and Apple Pay. Furthermore, in order to be able to integrate Stripe inside Nowa, all you need is Supabase backend and a few clicks and you're ready to go.
Okay, now that the simulator has built, let's try to purchase 100 coins. Our Stripe payment card will pop up where you can choose Apple Pay, which requires us to set a billing address, or pay using a card or bank or whichever payment method you had set up using your Stripe dashboard. So we're going to use a test card, which is 424242 all the way, and the random expiration date with random CVC, and press on pay. After the payment is done, our balance will update, and as you can see, we have now 300 coins. You can find the link of the full tutorial in the description of this video.
We want to make sure that building in Nowa goes as smooth and easy for you as possible. Therefore, we upgraded the way we support you. Now you can chat with us directly inside Nowa. Just click on the question icon on the bottom right to ask us a question or report an issue. You can also see the status of your reports, get follow-ups, and get notified when things are resolved, allowing you to get help without leaving your project. So if you have a question and you want to chat with us, just click on this icon and then choose Chat with Support. Here you can write your question or if there's anything that you would like to share with us. A ticket will be opened and you can also follow up on the status of the ticket. And if you face a problem while building, you can choose to report an issue. Here, select Include a snapshot of the project so we can have access to your project in case we need to do some investigation. Write some context and then send you a message. And same as before, a ticket will be opened with the status and you will hear from us as soon as possible.
We've released a brand new experimental UI. Now it's a completely different experience designed to make building smoother and simpler. Head to Settings and toggle Experimental UI flag in order to experience it. We are looking to your feedback and we will be shipping updates every few days.
To enable Experimental UI, go to Settings, scroll down in Project Details and press on Experimental Flags, and then enable New UX. Press on Apply. The project will reload with the new experimental user interface.
We have a big news. Nowa Go is rolling out to early access this week. Build, test, and even deploy straight from your phone or your tablet. Your project also syncs between Nowa and Nowa Go, so you can start building the moment an idea hits you and pick up right where you left off at your desk. If you didn't sign up for early access, sign up right now. The link is in the description.
We are launching a new program called Nowa Creator. If you make useful content on YouTube or social media and you're passionate about helping people create great stuff with Nowa, you can now earn money doing so. Check the link in the description to apply and learn more.
Last week, we also published a full tutorial where we built a complete VC pipeline app for mobile and web from scratch to deployment using AI and visual building, all in under 30 minutes.
Link below in the description. Okay, what are we cooking?
So there's a lot of great things now being cooked by the team, and you will hear about them very soon. But for now, if you have something that you want to share with us, we would love to hear it. So please use our email address, which is team@nowa.dev, or our Discord community to reach out to us.
Thank you for watching and see you soon.